merchandise voucher. I have a whole bunch of these. The way to go and redeem them is to head on up to our merchandise stand, give them this. You've got $20 to spend. You can throw in a bit of your own
Thanks, J-Mac. Nick Panagopoulos. Punters is in the far lane, Aeroflow lane. We're rolling into Super Sedan. We'd had a couple passes just before then. Jason Lippy, he's in the near lane. Rocket Industries. 351 cubic inches of Ford on board. A fantastic looking blue. Really popping in the lights here at the Perth Motorplex as the sun has gone down. It's going down still, and it's getting a little bit nippy out there as it usually does. Right up on the back haunches is Nick Panagopoulos. Jason Lippy's really keeping with him though. You go to half truck 009 reaction time on both trees. 9:05 for Nick Panagopoulos, but not enough.